Alright guys, so we're actually going to use this frame and all this tires because we're making our own quad. But that engine's junk. This is a Polaris. So he's going to try to rip it out. If some of the stuff breaks, it's okay. And this is Jackass. Dude, it might roll. You never know. Here, I'll do it. I'll give it a shot. Still connected.
Hold on.
Oh, it's the motor mount. Look.
Where?
Right there. See, it's all bent.
Shit, yeah.
I think, do it one more time.
Get the ass out.
Yeah. It's fine, just look in. Oh.
Here. Let's
Oh, the motor mount's crushed.
It's okay.
Holy shit. Try to take the engine out. Go ahead, buddy. Fuck. That's the wires, dude. Hold up. Yeah. You fucking engine.
Nice.
Holy dude, look, it's a trampoline.
Fuck yeah, bud. Holy
Look at the
shit.
fucking wires.
That's a
Holy
thumbnail right there.
Hey, I'm gonna stand on top of it. Take a photo. Yeah, baby. This is how we fucking do it.
Wait, dude.
I can ride your girl with no handlebars.
Holy shit. Dang. That's
Dude,
fucking
it was
funny.
just- dude, it's the fucking wires. Let me kick it. I want to kick it. I want to kick
Fucking
it.
smoker. Holy shit.
Dude, it's
Want to pull it back and try to fucking...
dude, fucking send it. Oh, it's in a gear.
It's in gear. Here, hold this. It's still...
Yeah, I still. Dude.
That's funny.
Since that out, we just have to take the gearbox. The gearbox is harder.
Here, try and bury in front of the rear tire. The rear tire, not the front tire.
Oh my god.
Yeah, no, the other side. The other side. Okay.
All right. One more time. It's the wires, dude.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut them or something, but...
Oh, we got this one out.
Hell, dude. Yeah, that's...
Gearbox wire. Look,
mission
kids, that's the
successful.
battery.
Holy shit.
Dude, look, come here. No, look. If we just take that off, it'll fucking go.
No, there's like another one too. Yeah, where is the other one? Wait a minute. It's this. It's just the battery cables.
Yeah, I know.
Here, stand on top of it again. I want to get another thumbnail picture. Maybe. Holy shit.
How do you like my engine, dog?
Looks about right. Holy fuck. Yeah. Damn. That's beautiful.
Hey, you want that engine?
Oh, fuck no.
Here's the Jordan. Hey, here's your new dirt bike engine.
Yeah.
Dude, just drop it off this fucking driveway. Okay, if we just do, look. We can take that out.
Yeah.
And try to cut this.
And then we could just drag that fucker around.
Drag it on the road. I want you to drag it on the road, please.
All right. Well,
And guys, don't worry.
don't do what we do.
We're taking all this and we're making our own quad. We're
gonna get some type of motor to fucking swap her.
Yeah, it's gonna be a manual. It's gonna be a 4-stroke, and it's gonna get new paint job.
Jesus fucking.
We're just getting rid of this. We wanted to do it for a really long time. I can't put your carburetor in there anymore.
God,
So
damn.
gooey. Look at that starter, so fucked. Look at you chipped it.
Sweet.
Hey, you like my clutch?
When you gonna cut my foot?
What's the carburetor? Wait, hey. Wait. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Here, I'll kick it.
Yeah, it's just the fucking battery.
Kinda.
things. That one got held on by a zip tie. The fucking zip tie is so
The
strong.
Polaris does not want to be taken
Zip
apart.
ties- The zip tie is so strong. Here,
What's a free carburetor?
let's cut this zip tie and then undo this screw.
Yeah.
Probably the screws are probably like a 10 or an 8.
No, that's this.
Yeah, that's what I said.
You gotta get those
I
off.
meant nut. You dirty ass piece of shit carburetor.
Oh, shit. Yeah, but don't worry. It's going to get new paint job. We got the plastic. We're going to put a new motor in this.
Go get the 10 mil and the 8.
A 10 and an 8?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, just
Oh,
get
do
the
the
10. I think
ratchets.
it's 10. Those aren't okay.
I mean, not ratchets, but I mean...
Yeah, I know what you mean. God damn, that's funny shit. I just saw it come out. It was like victory, and then the kunk. Fucking wires, sturdy ass wires. Fucking zip tie. That's amazing. Fucking broke the zip tie. So I got that one. And then all we have to do, oh my god, it bent that. I just gotta take this off. And we'll be good. That's funny shit. I was waiting for your boy, noisy boy, to get me shit. I'll be back when he takes off the bolt. We got it out!
You're good. 2-stroke engine, junk.
Yeah!
Oh, shit. Whoa! Whoa! Drag it back in the garage. I mean the yard. Dude, we fucked it up.
It's alright, but not very hard.
It started went around in circles.
I know, because I've been done it.
Here, I want to try to do it. I'll go slow.
Be careful, yeah. Stay in first gear. Key's not on. Fucking Polaris. God damn, that's funny.
I'm going back home. Hey, don't go off the grid. I'll stay in first if I want. I'm gonna drive by.
That looks so fun. That's what you call an Hey Jason, that's what you call an abortion.
Hey neighbor, you want a free motor?
We'll give your Polaris a free abortion. God damn.
All right, drag it where the scrap pile is. You'll see some metal.
Holy shit, that's funny.
Well, there goes the engine. Yeah. Right there.
Damn. How are we gonna get that untied?
Oh. Oh shit. Oh, it's just, you gotta do that.
Oh, I was so confused.
Want me to, you got it?
Yeah.
So, hook it right there. You can just pull it right here, look.
Oh my god.
Here. Here, hold it. I got it. Oh, there we go.
Have fun getting that.
Hey, this is a 5-year-old. I'm going home.
I'm giving my dead dog a walk.
Come on, doggy.
Jesus.
So you guys know, we're not going to destroy that. It's going to be better. So we're going to put a 4-stroke motor in it. We don't know what kind, but we're going to fix everything.
And we're gonna take that out.
Yeah, but you want to tow it back over there?
Sure.
All right. Ow. Wait, how are we going to tow it? It's fucked. It's fine.
Clean off the shit box.
Yeah, but we're going to make it better.
Rest in peace, all those wires.
Rest in peace, rusty blue balls. You know?
Yeah. Gotta clean that bill sign. Well, this will probably be the end of the video, so See you guys later.
Huh?
Nigga.
What?
I'm talking to the people.
I thought you were talking to me for a second.
There's no way to shut the fuck up.
Sticky charger, reader.
It's gonna be the end of the video. Have a nice day. Polaris is piece of shit. That'll be all. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay sketchy, buds.